Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Filecoin. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that Filecoin is moving inside in another symmetrical triangle on the daily time frame chart, and now you can see that on a daily time frame chart, the movement is quite squeezed inside this triangle. By the way, here you can see that we had a powerful attempt to break out. The price line had a long spike here, but could not break out this resistance of the triangle and this quite long-term resistance of $6.36. And now we are about to hit the support of this triangle. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very massive breakout that has happened on the 7-day time frame chart from this very big falling wedge pattern. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signal works, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of May 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for Maverick protocol, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. For example, in this case, I shared this signal on 27th of May 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this of the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button, and after that it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Filecoin. And here on the daily time frame chart, you can see that for the past several days, it is moving inside this symmetrical triangle, and now the movement is quite squeezed inside this symmetrical triangle. Therefore, at any time it can break this pattern. Right now you can see that it is very close to the support of this triangle. And now if we take a look at the targets, then in case of breaking down the support, the target to the downside can be here. That will be approximately at $4.05. And in that situation, we can also lost this very long-term support of $4.60 as well. And in case of breaking out the resistance of the triangle, the next target will be here at this long-term resistance of $8.12. Now, if we take a look at the 7-day time frame chart, then here you can see that this $8.12 has been previously breaking as a resistance here and almost as a resistance here as well. And therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance. And here on the 7-day time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very massive falling wedge pattern as well. And by the way, so far from this low to here, you can see that Filecoin has rallied more than 389%, but could not break out this long-term resistance of $11.40 and drop down. And during this rally, by the way, we also broke out this very massive resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud that is now working as a very strong support for the price line of Filecoin. Now, if we take a look at the technical target for this very massive breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, that target can be here at the top of the wedge. That will be between $250 to $300. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.